Hello to the participants of Dental Photography Workshop, Dental Photography Made Easy. So we'll meet each other in 3 weeks' time in the APDC and Hong Kong IDEAS. The second day of it will be a Saturday morning, and there will be a 3.5 hours workshop which is separated into 2 parts. The first part will be about lecture and the second part will be more practical. For the practical photography, we will have product photography, which focus on the photos of the lab work, and also we will have portrait photography practice. So what you need to prepare is that you need to bring your camera, your lens, probably macro lens, and also the flash that you use in dental photography. It may be a ring flash, maybe a twin flash, or maybe some flashlight is all okay. Also bring your SD card because you will take some good photos back home. Well, also I found that in the participant list is that most of you got some experience in photography and videography. So I want you to fill in the Google form I provided because I want to know what specific shot, what specific photos or what specific videos that you want to learn or you want me to share how to take it. So fill in the Google form, and at last, really see you in 3 weeks. Charge your camera, charge yourself, bring the SD card, charge your flashlight, and see you in APDC and Hong Kong IDEAS.